Smile and the whole world smiles with you. But what's the phrase? Cry and you're on your own. Frown and you're on your own. Hey everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I was going to say, one, you're more attractive when you smile. And when I smile to people, they say hello to me first. So it's much more beneficial to smile. You look prettier, more attractive. It's very good for dating websites or just physical life dating or making friends. Even if it's a fake smile, like a fake smile turns into a real smile in a second or a few seconds. It's very easy to do. There's probably a neurological response in the brain when you activate those muscles. They say it takes a few muscles to smile, but loads of muscles to frown. It's almost like nature's way of telling us, smile, go with the flow. Don't be too grumpy or negative. So everyone, that's all I really want to say in this video. It's a very short and simple reminder. Hi. The elderly woman, she said hi to me first. I tested it, it was quite hi. So yeah, I encourage you all to smile. Smile on your social media, smile in your videos. Just smile everywhere, smile all over the place, make friends, have a good time. When you see people smile and say hello, it'll uplift their life. And I have to just say, a guy inspired me because he had a huge smile looking at me just like 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. He's like this, huge smile, brimming. He was with a group of friends and maybe there was a good talk or a joke like shortly before. He's just so happy though. And smiling actually helps put you in a good mood. Because it does help probably activate stuff like serotonin or dopamine is my guess. They're your happy chemicals. So yeah. And one other thing on a slightly different note, when you ejaculate or orgasm too much as a man or a woman, it helps mess up your dopamine. First of all, it's a massive dopamine explosion. And then secondly, there's a huge loss of dopamine receptors for up to 4 weeks. Between 1 and 4 weeks, typically maybe 2 weeks, potentially, I'm not really too sure, and science doesn't really know fully yet either. Depends from person to person. So just be a little bit careful of also taking other drugs. They also mess up with your brain chemistry and dopamine levels, so it takes time to get it back again. So highly recommend getting a good sleep, eating raw foods, getting out in nature, the staples. Moderate positive exercise and nature walking or whatever exercise, fun activity, moving your body, and of course smiling, and then singing, dancing, humming and whistling. Okay everyone, lots of love, thanks for watching, have a great day, and if you like this video please hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button below for future notifications on uploads which I have regularly, and otherwise you may miss them if you don't hit the bell button. And I love it if you feel inspired to share with your friends or family. And other than that, I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Lots of love. Have a great day.